And straight away cutting across to live visuals, we're picking up from Haryana border where security has been stepped up after yesterday's protest staged by farmers. Remember 26th and 27th, that is today and tomorrow. The Delhi Chalo March is what we're focusing on. Farmers from Haryana and Punjab who had started gathering since yesterday along the Delhi border for the Delhi Chalo protests against the 3 new farm bills passed in the month of September. They will be marching to the national capital today and tomorrow to put pressure on the central government to scrap the new 3 farm laws. The farmers certainly remaining adamant to march to the national capital despite the Delhi government refusing permission to stage rallies citing coronavirus restrictions. Yesterday, remember how Haryana government also sealed borders with both Delhi and Punjab. But the farmers certainly remaining adamant at this point in time as well. Amandeep, my colleague who's been tracking all the developments, joining us on the broadcast. Amandeep, yesterday we saw how the farmers remained. They did not get away from the demands that they were putting out as far as scrapping of the 3 farm laws are concerned. They continued staging a protest today and tomorrow. All eyes on the Delhi Chalo March. What are the reactions that we're picking up? What is the border situation looking like this morning?
Look, Christine, the Haryana state has already in process to seal the borders just because late night they have opened the national highway for a few hours, but now they are again in the process of sealing the borders. You can see the visuals. This is the national highway leading to Delhi from Amritsar, and in fact they are placing the barricades in the middle of the road just because from the initial days since it was announced by the Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar that Haryana will not allow any Kisan protest inside the Haryana. That's why they have sealed all the borders. And you can, these are the visuals. They have started placing the barricades, and just because they are getting the intelligence inputs from the side of Punjab, all the Punjab Kisan unions have started from their places to reach to Delhi. This is the Delhi march today, and they have targeted to reach by tomorrow. So the process is on, and in fact yesterday the way we have seen how the Kisan unions have moved from this highway towards Delhi, and in fact they were the farmers from Haryana itself. And today is the day when the Punjab Kisan unions have started from their places from the different parts of Punjab to reach Delhi, and they'll take different routes. This is the national highway started from Ambala. There is another Haryana border connecting to Patiala, Sangrur, Abohar. There are certain pockets of Haryana border they have completely sealed, and in fact there is very much expected that farmers will not roll back their protest, will not go back. They have decided, it was very much decided collectively by the Kisan unions that they will sit on the road till the time they are not allowed to reach to Delhi. So they will continue their march on the road. And in fact, Rapid Action Force along with the police force, along with the all security forces are putting in one line to hold law and order situation in the state. So the national highway will be blocked for today and tomorrow. Not only the Punjab and Haryana border, Delhi borders has also been sealed just because the Delhi government has not given any kind of permission to the farmers to protest inside the Delhi. So this is the position right now. These are the early morning visuals. Just because they have started from different parts of the Punjab, they will take time to reach to this much point. They will take time to reach to the Haryana border. So by the time they'll be reaching, the Haryana police is making all the preparations, and in fact everything is putting in place. So these are the visuals. You can see that how this much is getting. Yes, Christine, over to you.
All right, the borders have been sealed ahead of the Delhi Chalo March. Yes, farmers from Punjab and Haryana called for the Delhi Chalo March today and tomorrow. And the whole of yesterday, we saw how so much inconvenience was really caused to the people traveling on the national highway, because Haryana as well was the first state to seal the borders with Punjab in the national capital. And despite the national capital giving a no as far as this march is concerned, given the COVID-19 situation, yet the farmers continue marching, continue protesting. Many thanks, Amandeep, for joining us this morning. We'll keep coming back to you through the course of the day.